Reschedule visa appointment. Hello viewers, today you are going to learn how to reschedule US visa appointment in Canada. So let's get started. First, visit the official visa application website for Canada. Here, choose Canada as your application location and then sign in using your email and password. If you are new to the system, you have to create an account first. On your dashboard, find your current visa appointment option, tap on it, and then you will see an option Reschedule. Tap on it. Then view the available dates on the calendar. Now pick a new appointment date and time that fits your schedule. Confirm your updated appointment details. You can also save or print the new confirmation page for future use. And that's all. That's how you will be able to reschedule your US visa appointment in Canada.